Like, it doesn't condone it, but fucking.
Yeah, I still get it.
Jab. Double shuffle. Punch. Roll. Good. 1, 2. Lovely. Good jab. Now double fast. Shuffle after, yeah? Shuffle. Roll. Good. Because I want you to add something afterwards, that's why, yeah? So I want you to be here. Boom.
Stay where you are.
Roll. Boom. Shuffle again. Jab. Double. Shuffle. Yeah, shuffle. Smoothie, smooth.
Yeah.
Double. Shuffle. Pretend you're going to throw a right hand, that's what I do. I put my head out to the side, that's it. I go like that. Bum, bum. Yeah. Up. Shuffle again. Right shoulder first.
So I'm here. I've shuffled.
Yeah, and then go that way. Yeah, boom, yeah.
Shoulder, head.
Yeah. Double. Shuffle. Roll. Shuffle. Yes, good. Jab. Double. Shuffle. Roll. Turn. Yeah. Double. Hoop. Good. Why? Jab. Jab. 1, 2. Jab. Good. 1, 2. Good. Jab. And up. Jab there. 1.
Yeah.
2. Slip. Change guard. Alright. Gotta change stance now though, yeah? Gotta change stance. Watch my feet.
Still orthodox.
You know, change stance. So, after you've done the 1, 2, now this is a tricky bit, yeah? Slip, drag your left foot back, and then right foot forward.
Oh, that's all right.
Like this. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, yeah. 1, 2. Shuffle. Hey, yeah, then jab, boom.